Are you tired of going into an office every day, working long hours just to make a paycheck? Do you dream of being your own boss and making money online? Well, I have great news for you. It's time to unleash your online profit potential and become the ultimate money-making boss. With the power of the internet, you can create multiple streams of income from the comfort of your own home. No more office politics or commuting in traffic, just the freedom to work when and where you want. Imagine waking up every day knowing that you are in control of your financial destiny. But how can you start making money online like a boss? It all begins with finding the right opportunity that aligns with your passions and skills. Whether it's starting your own online business, becoming an affiliate marketer, or offering freelance services, the key is to find something that excites you and makes money. Once you've found your niche, it's time to develop a solid strategy. Build a professional website or create a captivating social media presence to attract customers. Utilize powerful online marketing techniques, such as search engine optimization and content marketing, to drive traffic to your online platforms. And don't forget to engage with your audience, building trust and rapport that will convert leads into paying customers. As you watch your income grow, remember to reinvest in your business. Purchase tools and resources that will enhance your online presence and streamline your operations. Consider outsourcing certain tasks to free up your time and focus on the areas where you excel. And always stay hungry for knowledge. The online world is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead, you must continuously educate yourself on the latest trends and strategies. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and connect with other entrepreneurs who can inspire and mentor you along the way. So, are you ready to unleash your online profit potential and become the ultimate money-making boss? Take the leap today and start living life on your own terms. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you have the power of the internet at your fingertips. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Your journey to becoming an online boss starts now.